Okay, we've been given two graphs and we've been asked to use the graphs to find estimates for the solution of this equation here between 0 and 360. So you might be tempted, well, here's sin x, I've got to take away this graph from it and find out where the points are. Well, there's an easier way, because if you take their equation, muck it around slightly, you can turn it into that sin x is equal to 2 cos x. So the solutions we're after is when this graph meets this graph. So we need to find an estimate for that value and that value. Well, the 2 points that will help us most is the fact that sin x climbs to a maximum, and it climbs to a maximum at 1, the same time cos x, or 2 cos x in this case, crosses 0. And we know this is 90 degrees. So we need to do an estimate for x. And I would suggest that a reasonable estimate that x1 is approximately equal to, let's say, 65 degrees. And because we know that this point here must be 270 degrees, the difference here and here will be equal. The distance here is the distance from 65 up to 90, which is 25. This is also 25, so I can say that x2 is approximately equal to 270 minus 25, which is 245. And those two answers will get you full marks.